Hey everybody, Brian McCubb here with Tech Money Talks. I tell you, I am really excited to share something really awesome with you. It's the 24-hour drop posting challenge. I tell you, I'm really excited, but you know what? Let me tell you where this is originating from, because there are a lot of student success stories that are getting sales on their first day. And it's happened multiple times this week. So it inspired me to do this video and put together this challenge. It's a 24-hour drop posting challenge. And let me read some of the testimonials here. So this is a shout out to Dominic. First of all, I want to thank you for introducing me to this new money-making opportunity. I listened to your podcast and I just bought the drop listing course. I like that word, drop listing, as well. He said, I've gotten sales instantly. Thank you, exclamation mark. He said, I'm contacting you today, and he had a question about fulfilling orders. And like I said, you quickly go from like, man, I hope this works and I get sales, to like, oh shoot, I got sales, now what? And that's what you're gonna experience. So then I answer his questions. I said, did you get sales on your first day? And then he's like, yes, sir, first day. I listed 5 products. One product had 2 sales instantly, and another one posted no more than 24 hours. I already had 9 sales, making a $15 profit each. So if you do the math, that's $135. So when I talk about $100 days, boom, he surpassed it on the first day. Shout out to Dominic. Now another one, shout out to Adam. He wrote to me and said, hey, hope all is well. I'm in lockdown here. I'm at home and I'm consistently posting 5 products a day. You hear the similarities? They're posting products per day. It's a numbers game. You got to keep posting. He said, now I've been making consistent money, Facebook Marketplace, anywhere from $30 to $100. It's nice that the really good products are consistently bringing sales, which is awesome. And then he goes into asking a question he likes about the Dropshipping Accelerator, because now he's thinking about moving to the next level, which is Shopify Dropshipping. So drop posting is like that ground level opportunity for drop shipping and drop posting. Now there's something new that just came out in drop posting. It literally happened within the past couple of weeks, and I'm really excited about it. And that's what inspired me to put together this 24-hour drop posting challenge. So it's a 24-hour drop posting challenge. You're gonna spend live with me for 2 hours. We're gonna deep dive into it. I'm gonna teach the program. I'm actually gonna demo. We're gonna actually demo and drop post the product of the week that's actually getting sales, and you're gonna do it with me. And we're gonna do it side by side, because I'm gonna be helping some lucky volunteers live in the session as well. And then we'll finish off with some good Q&A and some real discussions as far as drop posting and what you should do taking the next step. The goal in the 24-hour challenge is that at the end of the 24 hours that you're at least getting some sales. So I'm gonna do my part to help motivate you, teach you, and give you everything that you need to get started. And you're gonna do your part by taking action, plugging in. I'm not sure how long I'll continue to do this. So if you found this opportunity, you wanna jump in on the next 24-hour drop posting challenge.